Byrngem ke Seng HNYM National Youth Movement ban Khang khryrdep ya ka khasi Autonomous District Council Hapoh Taiew Lada ka KHADC Hapoh ka jingialam u CEM ka KHADC uba T Chyne kamle halor ka jing ujor jong ka Seng ban Weng ya u acting Syiem ka Hima Mylliem u Ainam manik Syiem bar u Syiem jong ka Raid Marwet u Kensing Syiem bar ban Weng ru ya ka kyntien Nongpyniaid na ka Mylliem Act arhajar khathnyo Haba ya kren shikilar pathai Khubor haka arpho tarik nohprah arhajar arphuar u president ka Seng HNYM uba Lious Dohtdong ula kynnoh bo acting Syiem ka Hima Mylliem umla abante lakam ya ka jing sanat u Syiem ka Raid Marwet ya ki garo balong Rangbah Shnong ni Nongpyniaid ka balong persya ya ka Appointment and Succession of Chief and Headman Act Khadc spa san pokhandai badru ka balapen khen ya ka hukum jong ka Hima Mylliem.
So today we came here for clarification on the about the procession, peace procession of the Garo people. Yesterday they have organized in Nongpyniaid River District. So we came here just to support the Sanjuk of Rangbah Shnong of Raid Marwet River District, because after we saw that these Garo people now their demand from the District Council and from the Hima Mylliem that the Hima Mylliem and this council should issue them a sanat to the Rangbah Shnong, the so-called Rangbah Shnong. Actually, the Garo people didn't even have the rights to claim themselves as the Rangbah Shnong, because they are not the part and parcel of our customary law. We have our own customary law here in Khasi Hills, but the Garo people, they have their own customary laws. So how comes these people, they claim themselves as Rangbah Shnong in order to claim themselves as nohprah? So they contradict by themselves to themselves. So from the HNYM side, we urge the Garo people not to show power like this to our community, because our community is very flexible. We are just very patient with others people, with other community, though we have seen that so many pressures are coming from many sides. Many different community which are staying in Meghalaya, mainly in Khasi Gentias, we have pressurized by that community only. But what we are surprised that after we give them the chance to stay in our land, mainly in Raid Marwet, the Garo people yesterday they show power to our community. They said that if the council and Hima Mylliem they did not issue any sanat to the Rangbah Shnong, they will go to the higher authority. It's opposing all this demand, and at the same time we urge them not to bring a fire, not to touch a fire, because whenever you stay, you can stay here. As long as you stay here, you stay peaceful. We are not created any quarrel amongst us, amongst you and me, amongst you and our community, your community and our community. But we just urging you not to create any violence, because whatever you have done yesterday, it's a mark of violence. Because you said that some NGOs, we are condemn the NGOs that demand from this council not to recognize the Rangbah Shnong of the Garo community. Yes, HNYM will always stand on our basic rights. Our basic rights is that we have only this land, Khasi lands, and we have only one KHADC, Khasi Hills Autonomous Council, which is protected our land. And KHADC also should give punishment to this Rangbah Shnong, Garo, so-called Rangbah Shnong of Garo Hills, because these Garo people, they don't understand themselves where they are staying and where they are residing. To urge this council also to take serious action on these matters, because as long as we are very patient with this so-called Rangbah Shnong, after so many meetings with the Syiem of Mylliem, but we see that it is fruitless. So from our side, once again, we give the last chance to this council and the Hima Mylliem to delete that words from the Mylliem Act, Nongpyniaid Shnong, because this Nongpyniaid Shnong words just make the Garo people to take advantage of that words. In order to make a seal of Nongpyniaid Shnong, they make a seal of Rangbah Shnong. And they issue all these documents, declaration of land use, the seal deed and all, to the Garo people and to the Manipuri, to the Nagaland, to the Nagamis people, and to the Punjabis, to the Nepalese. So many seal deed they have sealed to the non-tribals. They have violated also the Land Transfer Act, Section 3, sub clause 1, from the Land Transfer Act 1972. So after we have request the CM of this council to take action on these Garo people who are taking advantage of our Rangbah Shnong, but this council is still silent. So no more, we cannot be tolerant. We cannot tolerate anymore. So from our side, we give this council only first week or second week of January. If this council is not giving any notification to the Garo people or to the Hima Mylliem, then we'll take the next steps.
So you